Hey everyone, David here, and welcome to my VidCommissions review. Inside of this video, I'm going to go ahead and break down everything that you need to know about VidCommissions, and I'm actually inside of the members area right now, and I'm going to give you a full detailed review of VidCommissions. And if you stay to the end, you're going to see some of the custom bonuses that I have put together for you if you decide to pick up VidCommissions from my affiliate link down below in the description of this video. So what is VidCommissions? Well, VidCommissions is a software platform that allows you to basically take YouTube videos that other people have created and turn them into courses that you can then use to collect email addresses or sell for profits for your own self. Now, there are some pros and some cons to this software. Pro is it's easy to just collect videos on YouTube, put them together inside of a training inside of the software, and then you can start making money from that. The con is you're not going to be branding yourself and getting yourself out there. So you're taking the easy route and you're neglecting the branding. But if you buy through me, I actually have included a couple video courses that have nobody's face on them, so you can actually use them inside of VidCommissions and pass them as your own product, which is really, really cool. I think it's really going to help you. So let's go ahead now and let's take a look at VidCommissions. So this is the members area right here. This is the software that you're going to get inside of VidCommissions. And if you're interested at all in picking up VidCommissions, all you're going to have to do is click on the link down below this video inside the video description, and it'll take you over to my bonus page, which looks like this. If you scroll down and you click on any of these yellow and black buttons, it will then take you over to the sales page of VidCommissions, where if you click here to buy VidCommissions, you can secure your bonuses that I have prepared for you, as well as get the product. So let's go ahead and talk about now those bonuses that I have prepared for you for VidCommissions. So if you, once again, click on the link down below this video in the description, it'll take you to my bonus page. And if you scroll down, you can read all about VidCommissions. I have details on the prices and the upsells. I have details exactly what the product does. And then I have all of the pricing information for you. There's even a video that you could watch so you can check out VidCommissions on your own time. But if you scroll down, you'll see that I have 5 bonuses for you. All of these are custom bonuses, so you're not going to find these bonuses via anybody else's links because I have put them together myself. I have created them and I'm giving them to anybody who buys the front end of VidCommissions for just $17. So bonus number 1, I'm going to be teaching you how to get traffic to these membership sites, because that is the important piece of this puzzle. Is you need traffic to these sites in order to start monetizing them, collecting email addresses, and getting sales. So I'm going to give you one free traffic method here. This is a detailed tutorial on how I get traffic to my affiliate offers and how you can use traffic to get to these membership sites. I'm also going to give you another form of traffic in bonus number 2, and all of these are free traffic strategies, so you don't have to pay a single dime in order to get people to your products that you're going to be creating inside of VidCommissions. Bonus number 3, once again, is another free traffic strategy. All of these are tutorials made by me. Bonus number 4 is what I was talking about earlier, is those done for you courses that you can actually use and plug into VidCommissions and pass them as your own product, because the only downfall with VidCommissions is you're going to be using other people's faces inside of those membership sites. But if you have a course that has nobody's face on it, then you can just plug in those videos and you can start selling that course and pass it off as your own. So I've actually included 2 courses in here that you can actually use, and there's tons of videos in each. I think each one comes with 10 different video modules, as well as cheat sheets and hacks and PDF guides, and all of that is included. And these are also high quality, so you're getting a lot of quality with these courses. They're not just videos that I threw together from somewhere on YouTube like this course teaches, but they are really good videos, high quality. And I definitely recommend using those inside of VidCommissions because you're going to get a lot more customer love and people are going to appreciate those products that you're going to be releasing through VidCommissions. So if you scroll down, you click on any of those buttons, you will be able to secure your bonus. And when you want to get your bonuses after you have purchased the product, all you're going to have to do is go into Warrior Plus and then go to your purchase history. Once you're inside your purchase history, you click on the product. It'll say VidCommissions to the left right there. Click on it, and then you will be able to click this blue button right here, and that will take you to my bonus page, which will give you your bonuses that you can start plugging into VidCommissions and start making money. Now let's go ahead and talk about VidCommissions in detail. So here is the members area. Right off the bat, you're presented with the dashboard and the welcome video. You also have your profile, which is going to have all your sign-in information. Then you go down to training, and this is where they have built-in video training on how to use VidCommissions, how to set it up, how to start making money, and it's all nice and neat and laid out in detail on how to add YouTube videos in there and how to start making money with VidCommissions. This section right here, users, is if you want to add maybe like a virtual assistant or somebody who would help you out with customer support, you can add them in here. Also, these are going to be all of the users that you have collected inside of your sites. So that is what the user tab is for. Now we also have the upsells here, so I will get to those later, but inside of the members area, this is what the upsells look like. So right here actually is where all of the action happens inside of the campaign builder. This is where you're going to be creating campaigns. So these are different courses that you could be creating. And let me give you an example of what one looks like. Here's one right here. So this is the login information for a course that you would be creating. And inside of VidCommissions, these are called campaigns. So the person can register. They can also log in, and you can collect their emails on the back end, and you can promote affiliate products to them and all different kinds of monetization techniques. So that is where you create your campaigns. Also, this is where you add your YouTube videos from YouTube to put inside of your courses. You can create what are called video collections, and that would be a single course that you would compile different videos of. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the affiliate marketing collection. So here, when it opens up, you'll see that there's a bunch of different videos on affiliate marketing, and you can have descriptions. You can even add like a call to action link. So if you want to promote a specific product, you could gather a whole bunch of different videos, say about active campaign or get response, and then you could have people buying through your affiliate link using other people's videos on YouTube to promote that inside of the courses of VidCommissions. Also, you can manually add more videos to these collections, so you can make your course bigger or you can expand your course in the later times. So that is basically everything that you need to know about VidCommissions. There's also a place that you can add autoresponders to. So if you have an account, you can automatically connect any of these autoresponders here, so you can start collecting emails on the back end. So when somebody comes here and they create their membership ID, they create their login information, then you can actually email them in the back end, and you can promote, say if you have a course in VidCommissions using other people's YouTube videos about email marketing, well, you could promote your affiliate link to an email platform in the back end to those emails. So that is exactly how it works. Now let's go ahead and let's switch over and let's start talking about the pricing and what you could expect inside of the funnel of VidCommissions. So here are the pricing and the upsells. The front end is actually only $17, but the price rises every hour. So make sure to jump on this earlier rather than later if you want to secure the cheapest price. OTO 1 is going to be a $67, but then there's a $47 downsell. OTO 2 is $97, but there's also a $67 downsell, so make sure to jump on that if you want to save money. OTO number 3 is unlimited traffic, once again $97 and $67. OTO 4 is $30,000 per month, that is $67 and then $47, and OTO 5 and then OTO 6. So let's go ahead and talk about those upsells now, and I will show you them. So here is the First off, we have the unlimited. So that's unlimited access to VidCommissions, and you can buy that. That's the first upsell. That will give you unlimited access to this. So you can add as many courses as you want. You can have as many emails, and you can have as many login informations and people inside of your courses. Next is 100% done for you, and that looks like this. This is this upsell here, the done for you upsell. And this is where they will actually give you done for you campaigns. So they already have created the courses. They already have all the information. The sales page is ready. So you just have to plug and play and get traffic to those offers, which I actually teach you how to do inside of my bonuses. Next, you have the unlimited traffic. So that is down here, the unlimited traffic. This is the upsell right here as soon as it comes up and loads. Okay. So unlimited traffic, they teach you how to get more traffic training. However, I have you covered with 3 different methods of getting traffic. So I wouldn't really worry about the traffic upsells inside of there. 30K in 30 days version. That is right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that upsell. All right, so here you have a account that you can register with, and then you have all these different bonus guides, and they teach you how to basically take this and make up to $30,000 per month with this system. So if you're interested in that, you get all of this extra training on how to take this and scale it to 30K a month. After that, you have the super affiliate version, which is going to be more training. And then you have the license rights, where you can actually sell this as your own product and keep 100% of the commission. So instead of just keeping a partial commission for like affiliate marketing, you get to keep 100% of any money that you make. So now let's go ahead and talk about one more time. Let's just wrap it up and give you guys a pros and cons. So pro, this is really easy to implement, and you can start building courses without even having to create courses. But the major con is that you won't be branding yourself inside of those courses. You're going to have other people's faces, other people's voices, and it's not going to be building up your brand. So it's not a great long-term strategy. However, like I said, in my bonuses, I do have you covered, and I've given you 2 courses that you can brand as your own courses so that you can start making money with this and not have to worry about hurting your brand. So that is my VidCommissions review. I'm David, and I will see you in the next video.